Hello good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for clicking, thanks for tuning in today's video I'm going to be cleaning my small bathroom. This is the guest bathroom. I'm going to be deep cleaning it and I will take you through every step. So thank you for tuning in. If it's your first time, kindly consider subscribing. If you like the video, kindly give me a thumbs up and tell me what you think in the comment section. Let's go. So my ingredients is liquid soap, any liquid soap, Jik, or Javel, Clorox, anything you can use, and powdered soap like Omo, Sunlight, whichever. That's what I will be using today. Tell me what you use for your cleaning. For the Ojavel, Jik, Clorox, whatever you call it, the brightening for disinfectant, I use it only for the bathroom. The rest I use it too for the floor. Now I'm going to be scrubbing all the parts with soap, everywhere with soap, all the wall, the mirror, the everything. I'm gonna to use it soap on it. Afterwards I'm gonna rinse out the soap on all the parts. Yeah, so guys, let's go. water itself, leave alone the soap. If I don't dry the water from the walls, it will still dry and stick on the wall and still leave a pattern, you know. Yeah, so still, like, yeah, it's a lot of work. It's tiring, I would say, but when you get used to it, it doesn't become so tiring. Like, you just know this is what I have to do, and you do it. You know what you have to do, how you have to do it. And when I do like this, I will not come back here. Okay, I will be coming here every day, but to do the same thing, I will not, because it's already clean, until I see that, you know, it needs to be cleaned. That's when I will come back again and do the thorough cleaning, which is like after 2 weeks also. But every day I will still come and wipe out just with the dry cloth, wash the sink normally, you know. Yeah, so I have to dry out the water with a piece of cloth, especially on the mirror, like everywhere, on the mirror and the wall opposite the mirror. Like, the whole wall is a mirror, but the wall opposite the mirror, the brown one, that one also leaves a lot of stains. So I have to dry out the water and leave it clean. So that's what I'm doing. Tell me, how do you do it? Me, with my height, I have to use the stairs. I have to step on the stairs because, yeah, am I short? I'm not very short. I think the walls are the ones which are high. I'm not short, right? Tell me, do you think I'm short, or I'm tall, or I'm medium? Okay, if tall people are called, I wouldn't come out amongst the tall people. So I think I am short. I'm medium, not short, and not tall. I think there are shorter people than me. Tell me what you think. I'm medium. After the drying out the water, I will scrub the floor. The floor, because these soaps that fell on the floor, if I don't do it, it will still leave stains. As I've said, the water here is bad. It is like, you have to do it. You have to dry the water. You have to dry like everywhere, otherwise it will leave white stains. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing, guys, and my bathroom is thoroughly clean. Takes me like 30 minutes maximum. Yeah, I have increased the speed of this video so that it doesn't bore you. I hope you're not bored. If you are at this point and you're not bored, hats out to you for your support. Thanks you so much for watching, guys. My bathroom is clean. I have to remove everything. I will have to arrange my toiletries, the tissue, the hand soap, the towel. Yeah, thanks for watching. Switch off the lights behind you. Yeah, thank you, guys.